What?
Fail. Oh. There we go.
What?
Nugget, biscuit, nugget, biscuit, nugget, biscuit, nugget, biscuit, dip it all in mashed potatoes. It's a great way to finish the song.
Wait, I'm gonna say part of that. Okay, I try to say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Yeah, right.
I got to the E part, expand, whatever it's called.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, that sucks.
First you fail, then you get better. And if you're wondering what that was, I was yawning. What time is it? Let's see if we can zoom into my iPod. It's about, let's see, 8 o'clock.
I'm getting better.
In this time zone, it's 8 o'clock. Zoom in again.
Oh, that was one of those hair ones.
Try to say nugget, biscuit, nugget, a biscuit. Oh God! Literally, that hurt my ears.
No, it didn't.
No crap. 16. What's it? Swirly camera. Da, 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 da. God. This is gonna take like an hour to upload. Nugget biscuit. Supercalifragilistic. Yes. I wonder why some people think this is entertainment.
I don't know.
Swirly camera again.
Now I can see how they do.
Yeah.
Stinky.
Yum yum. Give it to me.
Okay, in about 30 seconds I'll have a huge burp.
What time is it? 8:01.
At 8 or 2 I'll probably have a good one.
I bet no one can figure out what damn 96 means. Keep it all in mashed potatoes. Nugget, biscuit, nugget, a biscuit, nugget, biscuit, nugget, a biscuit, nugget, biscuit,
Okay, if you find out what Dan Boz 96 means, I'll say it. I don't know. I guess I'll say your channel. I really don't care.
It's not even 4 minutes. This is gonna take like an hour to upload.
God! I'm so close to having a huge burp. I'm just waiting for the last one.
Last time I tried to upload a 6.5 minute video. Well, not saying this is 6. Not saying this is a 6.5 minute video, but last time I tried doing that, it was like took like an hour to do.
I'm gonna try to make way more videos, so
Yeah, last time.
I'll try to.
Tell them why you aren't making more videos. Why didn't I just
I
zoom
was
in?
too lazy.
No. It is.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh boy!